This content is for student and entertainment purpose only. All actions taken by the author in the video are not recommended to be reproduced by yourself. The author of the video takes no responsibility for the actions of others and possible consequences. Please use the platform responsibly and respect their policies. Keep up to date with the latest changes in terms and conditions. Thank you for your understanding. For a half a year now, AI art has taken over the vastness of the internet. Authors from all corners of the world are trying to monetize their generative images using all possible ways. During this time, art community has divided into two camps: those who keep up with the times and those who block any content related to artificial intelligence. Giant stock images platform which for decades hold the entire market, trying to lobby for new laws banning the sales of AI products, pressing on the copyright law. But despite the ban, despite their desire to stop progress, every day people find the ways to get around the restrictions and try their luck. And today I want to tell you how I cheated Shutterstock and upload a ton of AI-generated images. Hi everyone, this is Still17. I'm a musician, producer and part-time designer who's been in this field for more than 8 years. And today I'm going to show you how I managed to trick the Shutterstock algorithms and upload a lot of AI-generated content. I will show you not only how I did it, I will also share you with the working prompts, show you the whole process of creating the images, how I process them and upload to Shutterstock. So are you interested? Let's go. But well, before we move on to our Shutterstock AI activity, I will ask you to hit the like on this video and subscribe on this live channel so not to miss other videos about the design and artificial intelligence. It only takes you one click, but this one click will make me a little bit happier. So thank you for your attention, thank you for your support, enjoy watching and let's jump to the video. First of all, let's understand what the problem with the Shutterstock is. Shutterstock is one of the biggest stock images platform in the world. Even though Shutterstock has their own AI image generator that's built right into the site, they don't allow you to upload AI images to their store. What is the logic behind this? Why did this happen? Who knows? Who knows, fams? But we can read all stuff about AI and generated images in this article. The link to it I will leave in the description so you can check it out in any time wherever you want. But in a brief, the reason to it: copyright. Yeah, you probably wondering why the fuck they put AI image generator into the site if it violates someone's rights. You know, it's about the same situation if somewhere in Singapore there was a big crack factory. Although in country itself there is a death penalty for drug use and selling. So in general the situation is kinda complicated and apparently Shutterstock doesn't know actually what to do with this all AI art. In one hand, it seems like Shutterstock really wants to join the new movement, the AI movement, and on the other side, it seems it cannot, as may lose some credibility from authors, from artists and investors. So at the moment, if you try to upload AI-generated images to Shutterstock, in a couple of days you will get the rejection, because they do not accept any AI art. But after a couple of tries, I understand that here on Shutterstock really fast review time, and from such a fast review period, we can conclude that most likely Shutterstock use such smart algorithms for reviewing works that can easily recognize AI images, maybe using metadata, analyzing the content on the image or something else. I don't actually know what they're doing, but it doesn't matter, because at one point I got a question. At some point I can understand how to track AI in bitmap images, but what about vector images? In case you didn't know, on Shutterstock you can upload either JPEG files or vector EPC format files. So at some point after this question I start thinking, what if I converted my AI images into vector and try to upload them on the Shutterstock, especially since there are a lot of AI tools that allow you to do this online and for free. And guess what? My plan worked. So let's do some practice. The first thing that we need to do is generate some content, some images. You can use any AI generator, for example Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Stable Diffusion or even Shutterstock generator. It doesn't actually matter. The main thing here, you need to avoid gradients and smooth transition between colors on your images. Why is this so important? If you try to convert a PNG image or maybe JPEG image to vector graphics where will be a lot of gradients like on this picture for example, you will get such a bad result. Something like that. As you can see, the gradient is no longer the gradient and has turned into spots. But that's absolutely okay, as I have an idea of what type of content we can generate to avoid this problem. I found attractive such themes as 2D decorative patterns and backgrounds. For example, a theme of nature, or very fashionable illustration in Memphis style, or for example black and white graphics even in the anime style. Why not? By the way, all the prompts that I wrote and used in this video you will find in the description or pinned comment, and no problem, you can use it. But to upload your work on Shutterstock, it's not enough to only convert them into a vector, because here is a little secret. So let's talk about everything in order and let me show you how to prepare your images for Shutterstock. The whole process is not complicated and you don't have to have the special knowledge to cope with that. It's possible for any person who has a few minutes. First, we need to generate a picture. This is really easy, but if you have any difficulty with that, you can check my video about ChatGPT prompt writer to make your work even easier and faster. So in this video I'm gonna use midjourney, and now I generated a first picture. As you can see, this is a kinda simple picture without gradients, with the simple colors, and this looks kinda good. But to make it better quality, we need to upscale it. So for this I will use Upscaler. The link to it you will find in the description too. So just to drag and drop our picture, click the folder and wait. So here it is. Now our picture has become really good quality. Nice. Let's move on. Now we need to convert our image into vector. This we can do with the help of application that calls Vectorizer. You don't need to download something or install something, that's available online on their site. All we need to do, like as always, just drag and drop our pictures and click OK. And after a few seconds, we can save the file, leaving all the settings. The main thing that you have checked is that you have EPS format. Now we already can upload our work on Shutterstock, but if we do it right now, let me show you. As you can see, Shutterstock will give an error because of the size of our file, as the image format should be at least 4 megapixels. Unfortunately, our vector converter formats our images in only 2 megapixels. That's his maximum. And after this formatting, even if you correct the size of image in vector editor, like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW for example, Shutterstock will give you still an error. But that's not a problem for us, because the next step and final step, we will convert our vector file in the bitmap again. You can do this in any online converter or editor. So let me show you. I'll just Google EPS to JPEG. Follow the first link, drag and drop our file, click on convert, wait a little bit and save it. And it's done. Just a few seconds. And yeah, we have our file, which you can now publish on Shutterstock without any problem. So publishing here on Shutterstock is very simple. We write what topic our image belongs to, write the text, description, everything as usual, like on any other stock sites. By the way, if you are too lazy to come up with the text, description, titles, everything about SEO optimization, you can use my ChatGPT Manager bot that will come up with the titles, text, descriptions, and perfect SEO optimization for your content and for your product. You can check my video about ChatGPT Manager by the link somewhere here or in the description or pinned comment, like as always. And so yeah, what we have to do, just click on submit, wait 1-2 days, and our images will be accepted and available for sale. And yeah, congratulations, you have fooled Shutterstock algorithms. That's the magic. So in this way you can upload your AI images to Shutterstock, but you have to understand that this video is recorded purely for entertainment purpose only, and no one, especially me, should violate the rules of the platforms. I hope my subscribers mature and responsible people and understand this very well. But if you're interested in this Shutterstock project, let's get 200 likes under this video and I will make another Shutterstock video for you, but I will show you some statistics, some results, you know what I mean. But that's all up for you guys. And yeah, that's all for today. Leave your comment, what do you think about this video, what do you think about my idea. Subscribe to the channel so do not miss other videos about design and artificial intelligence. Check out my weekly news to stay up to date. And this was Still 17. See you the next week. Bye. God, I pray to you. I'm a thief. Goddamn, forgive me, please. See you next week, guys. See you next week, guys. What's the problem with me, motherfucker?